Here's an easy way to add special effects on your smartphone. Many recently asked me how I made this dragon effect. Let me show you. Start by finding the video clip that you want to include. This one was from a Game of Thrones video. So I opened YouTube, I found the part that I wanted, and I did a screen recording by dragging my finger down from the top right corner, press the screen record button there. If you don't have that button available on your iPhone, check out the description. I've got a video that shows you how to do that part. Once screen recording is on, I'm going to make it full screen and I'll press play.
Dracarys.
So that was the part that we used. Now pause, turn off screen recording by tapping on the clock and pressing stop. There, screen recording's been saved to our photos. Next, I need the video of me reacting to the dragon. So in the other video, the dragon was up here, coming from this corner, and I need to be afraid of all that fire that he's breathing. So just something like, "Ah!" That should do nicely. Now we put it all together. Start by opening InShot. Go to Video and go to New. Now I'll add the video where I was responding to the dragon. That is here. I'm just scrolling forward to that section. There. So now that we're at the right spot, I'm going to split the rest of it and delete what came before that with the rubbish bin button there. Yeah. Yep, that's a good amount of space, so I'm going to split it again and delete the rest. So now we have the part we need. I've canvas as a vertical, so I'm going to change that back to back to the horizontal. Now let's put it together. So go to add picture in picture, and this is the right one here. Because this is so long, I need some more space to find the right section, so I'm going to add a blank part there. Drag it along. Now it's be a few more minutes, okay?
2 more.
Yeah. I'm going to rotate the video so as it gets a bit bigger. You can see it easier. And let's find the right section. Yeah, that was it. So I'm going to split there and delete everything that came before that. And I'll go up into the end of that part, there. So split again, delete what came after that. Now I can drag that back to the right place. Okay, I'm spreading my fingers to zoom in a bit. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to drag it to the right place. A bit further in front. Yeah, that's good. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut off those black bars from the side of the video. So go to crop and just drag it so as the black bars are no longer included. And tick for done. Now, next problem is the dragon's facing the wrong way, but we can easily fix that.
Why, Daddy?
By pressing this button here, it swaps the orientation, and now I still need to rotate it around again. Much better, now he's facing me. I want to soften the edges so the difference between the dragon and my background isn't quite as obvious. So to do that, I'm going to go to Mask. I'm going to choose the rectangle because it's still a rectangle shape. And make it the right size. And this part here makes the corners a bit rounder. And this button here changes how solid the picture is. So you can go really light.
Yeah.
Or just so the edges are a bit softer like that. Okay. And I want him to start up in the corner. So let's have him there. So how's it look so far? That's good. And I think I'll trim my video so as it stops when the dragon stops.
Tops and the dragon tops.
That's right. Otherwise the dragon just disappears. Alright.
When do you disappear?
Next, we want the dragon to move and to get a bit bigger. So we're going to use a keyframe. So press on the dragon video. Do plus keyframe. So this tells us that this part of the video we want it to be up here. And by the time the dragon disappears, I want it to have moved down a bit, so it's like it's following me across. And I'm going to make it get bigger, so it looks like it's getting closer. And you can see...
It looks like when it's getting closer.
Yes, that's right. And you can see just by me moving and making the dragon bigger, it's added the new keyframe automatically down there. Nothing else needs to be done. It does it by itself. So now how's it look? Okay, final thing, I think. Final thing we need to add is the fire that goes all around the border of the screen. Oops, don't bump that. So that is another picture in picture. So add picture in picture. This time go across to materials. Go to across, go to atmosphere, scroll down.
I read the book.
Yes, just quietly. Choose the one with the fire as the border. And this looks good because you can see me and the fire, so press tick. And now is position that so it's the right shape, in the right place. Now how's it look?
One more minute.
Yes. So now let's check how that looks all together. So there we go. Now that you know how to add a dragon effect to your video, you might want to find some other animation ideas, which you'll get in this video right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.